welcome back to the channel. It is Saturday morning, and my phone reminded me and my thermostat that it's this time of the year that I need to change the filter on the furnace. Well, we went over cleaning the furnace a few videos back. Today it's actually due to be changed. So, one second, I'll walk over and show you how to do it. So on this furnace, the filter is right here on the return line. You just pull the cover. And you gotta fight sometimes to get them out, especially when my furnace is running right now. Come on, furnace. And right here you see the arrow pointing. That's the way the air is flowing. And on the filter, you'll notice an arrow. So you always want to make sure the arrow is pointing the same way. Otherwise, this one isn't too bad. But we're going to still go ahead and change it. Because I've been burning the fireplace a lot lately. And I just got a new filter for that. So I got an air purifier for upstairs. So you take your new filter. Well, see, it's a little dirty. You see the difference. You can buy your filters in most places. I get mine at Sam's Club because I get a 3-pack. And then right here, arrow, pointing the same way as the air is running. That slides all the way down. And then we put the cover on. And that's changing the air filter in this Coleman furnace. Now something else I'm going to take you along for today is I have a tankless hot water heater. When we put it in, we installed a water filter right beforehand. I don't know if you see very well. Let me get it adjusted here. Right there, right to the right of the hot water heater. Right there is the hot water, the filter. And I got 2 filters. So what I do is there's a shut off. I make sure nobody's going to use the water. And I've already talked to Noah. So move my air filter so it doesn't get wet. Shut off. 1. Pull the lever down. And then there's a shut off right before the tank. Come on. Okay. So I've isolated the hot water heater here, the thermostat. Got the towel, channel locks. The towel's just so I don't scratch it. Channel locks. I don't know how well you can see. I'm trying to do it so I'm not blocking the camera, but and it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, like most things. And I just unscrew it. I have a floor drain right underneath the camera so I can dump this water out. Pull the filter. Now the new filter is sitting right here, a replacement. There's reusable. They just get cleaned over and over again. There's a seal right here. So I slide this back up in the filter. Grab the... I'm putting some cleaner in this so when it goes back through the system here, it'll clean it. Bear with me. I'm trying to get back in there. And I don't want to overfill. And this cleaner is to help clean the system, help maintain my hot water heater. So I just slide this guy back up here. Make sure the filter's in there seated properly, nice and flat. And this just threads back up into place. Get it hand tight. Drill it. Tighten it with the wrench. These are called channel locks. You want it nice and snug. I do not want to leak right here by my hot water heater. You don't want to squeeze this glass too much, this plastic too much, because it could crack it. I'll turn the water back on. And then I'll turn the water back on right before the system. There's a tight squeeze in here to get to this shut off, but there we go. And one thing I want to do, I need to grab a dry towel, dry that, and make sure it's not going to leak. And then I take and clean my filter. I'll take and clean my filter, and I'll put another reminder on my calendar for 6 months to re-clean my filter for my water, and then my air filter 3 months, so that I'm constantly changing these. Maintenance helps your equipment last longer and reduce your maintenance costs and reduce breakdowns. So do your maintenance. Change the filter, change the filters, keep the equipment clean. So until next time, keep watching, keep reading, and if you have questions, feel free to ask. Thanks, and have a great Saturday.